really nobody on the bus.
No, not too many people.
It was really smooth loading. They did a great job with social distancing to get on the bus, and now we're headed to Disney property. So we are
Let's go.
Excited to be here. Hopefully I can be heard through the mask. I don't know, I feel really silly trying to take a video with this mask on, but that's okay. The flight was really smooth. We came from Sacramento, we connected in Dallas. We flew Southwest, and they honestly did a really good job. The middle seats were open, and they boarded in groups so that it wasn't all at once. The way that they boarded, it helped everybody to stay socially distant. So it was a little bit different. They did not do like the normal service that they would do with providing drinks and everything. They did give snacks and water, but that was it. And they went around one time. But either way, it went smooth, and I was a little worried about wearing the mask the entire time on the flight, especially because it's such a long flight from California, but it was not a problem at all. Okay, so we are staying in, we're staying at Pop Century just for one night, and then we're checking in to Old Key West tomorrow for a DVC stay. But we figured we would just do like a quick little room tour. So yeah, this is just a standard room at Pop Century. They have one queen bed, and then this is a queen table bed, and we'll pull that down in a minute to show you. But
it kind of creates a table here.
Yeah.
And then we'll fold the bed out, but
yeah,
pretty neat.
It is. And so this is a value resort, but they renovated it somewhat recently, and it's actually really
nice.
Yeah, it is really nice.
Hardwood floor. Yeah. It's nice.
So they have coffee pot, they have you know, all the coffee stuff. We have like our water and stuff here. We still haven't gotten like situated yet. Obviously, you know, this is good drawer space if you have like family and kiddos. They have safe and, you know, some extra pillows and things. They have a fridge down here. Yeah, it's a nice fridge, and then like a little freezer area too.
Cool. The bed.
Then, yeah, the bed. You can put storage under the bed as well.
Nice.
Yeah, and then this is the bathroom.
Sliding door there.
Yep. So more storage this way with, you know, ironing board and everything. Yeah, like a nice little vanity area to get ready, a nice like mirror to do makeup and get ready in. A full body mirror as well here. And then bathroom, they have toilet, shower. They have 2 shower heads actually, which is kind of nice. I think that's like a little, I don't know, that's a nice one. And they have the H2O on Disney products here, and you'll notice that they have it all, whoops.
Good sanitizing
Yeah,
wrap.
they had it all covered, and it says it's marked as clean.
Very nice.
And actually, speaking of that, our remote is like this, and it also shows cleaned. And then they have all of the like enhanced cleaning things, just showing, you know, that they're going that extra step for everything that's going on with COVID. But look at how fun that, like,
the lighting,
the little pop art is and stuff. So yeah, let's do the bed. Okay, so you pretty much just take the chairs out, and then you literally just
pull it on down.
It's so easy. I did that myself. Look at Pluto. How cute. Makes me think of my sweet pillow boy at home.
Now you got 2 beds.
Oh yeah, this is a queen bed too. And then, you know, when you want, you can put it up for space. We will probably put it up for more space. And then, speaking of space, we need to figure out where we're going to put our suitcases. But they have, you know, this thing, which is nice. But we're only going to be here one night, so we're not like unpacking. But still, we need to get organized and get all of our park bags packed for tomorrow. But
What park are we going to tomorrow?
Hollywood Studios.
All right.
And Pop Century has the Skyliner gondola that goes directly to Hollywood Studios, so it's perfect because we're gonna go there tomorrow. And then it's really nice because Pop Century will just send our luggage over to Old Key West for us. So we'll just check in on the app, and then when we get over to Old Key West tomorrow, our luggage will already be there. So yeah, it's really easy. We also checked in on the app for Pop Century. We checked in earlier today, and then it just popped up on our My Disney Experience app.
Super easy.
With our room number, and our magic bands were already linked, so we just came straight here. So we didn't have to interact with anybody at the front desk. We didn't have to do anything. We just came straight here, and that's it. So that's our little room tour of Pop Century, and now we're gonna go watch Stacy's Must-Dos. Corey, that's what you wanted to do.
All right.
There's Stacy. Okay, Corey just put the bed back up. That was
easy.
that was so easy.
Goes up and down.
Here's our backpacks. We're gonna get ready for tomorrow. We're going to get organized, but we need to charge everything. We have to charge cameras and phones and portable phone chargers. And so
All of it.
here's charging station, here's a charging station, here's a charging station, and it comes with the USB chargers too, which is really nice. More by the bed on both sides. So I feel like that is like so important to have all of those plugins for everybody and for everybody's devices. All right, so I think that about does it for our room tour.
All right.
We'll see you tomorrow at Hollywood Studios. Good night.
Good night.